Hello there, my name is Mr. Lwama Hamza, and I am a teacher of physics and mathematics, and I'm the head of department A-level of mathematics in Gombe Secondary School. Today we are here at Makerere University to sit for paper 2 of the mathematics contest, a contest which has been running for many years. Most of you who have been in secondary, you've heard about it. And this time round, we sat paper 1 at school. Last year we only sat 1 paper because we are coming back from COVID. And for now, we are seeing it to a point that we are back to sitting the 2 papers, that is paper 1 and paper 2. I'm happy that my students qualified, 45 of them qualified, and we are here to sit that paper, which I trust that my learners will write because they have been trying to practice, they have been trying to convince themselves. And the reason why students come in and do such papers of the contest is, 1, they build their confidence, they get the morale, they pick the vibe of mathematics. By the time they go back to this other ordinary mathematics, they have the confidence to sit any other mathematics paper if these challenging critical thinking questions have been sat by them. So I trust whenever learners engage in such papers and in such contests, their thinking improves, their attitude towards mathematics also improves. So I encourage all learners out there who have not engaged in this type of contest to always engage themselves in this type of contest. It ranges from primary to secondary and even university. So all those categories of students are catered for. So if you have your parent and you've been called on to allow your child to participate in the same, please allow them to participate. We even have the African Olympiad, we have the World Mathematics Olympiad. Students qualify and go for all those championships in terms of contesting mathematically. So we encourage everyone out there, sponsors, teachers, schools, parents, to always support the learners whenever it comes to such contests in the line of academics. On top of this, after here we are going to have a tour around the university, and so that learners can get a peek of what the university looks like and what it feels like to be here. Thereafter, we shall also visit the medical school, which also will show us around the different schools and the different laboratories. I trust my students of BCM and engineering who have visited the College of Engineering. They have already got vibed up, got the morale to work hard and reach this level of studies. So I would like to encourage everyone out there to support learners at every level, to join the contests, to also join the academic tours. For example, if learners come and tour a university and they get to know where they hope to study from, I think it gives them the morale to work harder and reach that level. So from here, we shall also visit the medical school and visit the laboratories there, which I trust that it will also boost my learners who want to become doctors and motivate them as well. We shall also visit Nakawat Vocational Institute. Those who would like to become their own bosses, their own managers, their own CEOs with time, they will also pick a leaf from there. So I trust that if we encourage such academic tours and trips, our learners can get a gestalt of education in our system as a country in Uganda. I would like to thank you all for watching us today. I would like to encourage you to watch our video because we are going to have our learners coming through with the different versions of how they have experienced this day. I hope they get the best of the day. Thank you so much.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant. I don't hear shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing sold out shows for 1,000 faces. Hey, give me that crown, get in my way and to be put down. It ain't your place, all this my town. If I want that shit, then I'll get it right now. I'm losing it, the noose it fits. I'm losing shit, a stupid myth. You choose to live or choose to dip. You choose to fight or lose your grip and lose a gift.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please
no mercy in this world, just hunger thirsty persons in different versions. Each new update, that shit worsens. Why? Pull back the curtain and you'll see the different vermin. We all have different burdens that all seem to cause disturbance. Yo, so do me a favor, don't treat me like a neighbor. Don't need the different flavors of your problems just to savor. I've got my own issues, I need a comb to get through. Don't need to groan with you, just go get your own tissue.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
That's it, the end of the song. Next time you'll sing along. Trust me, there's nothing wrong. I just need to carry on, cause society's a myth put there to make you sit. Listen to what they give. Don't ask questions, shut your lid. Yeah, don't ask questions, shut your lid. I need to run away from this and go get off the grid. Feel like my brain is overloaded, man, I'm losing it. Don't let them tell you what to do, man, they don't know shit.
Good afternoon to you all. It's me, Musa Zikiri Chigozi, Chairman of Mathematics at Gombe SS. We are here at Makerere University from doing the paper. It was a marvelous one. So challenging, but of course we had to get some ideas and issues how we could solve this problem. It was okay, not so hard. I would expect something out of it, and I will not expect the worst of all. It will be maybe an average. Yeah, an average. If I would just leave everything to God now, I've done what I could, then God can answer my prayers maybe. But that's all that we had for today. Thank you.
How was the paper?
I'm still in shock. The question's there. I don't know. Whoever said this paper, I think it just had anger issues. Cause I don't know. But all I know, I didn't get my age. I didn't get a 0.
How many numbers have you done?
Enough not to get my age or a 0.
My name is Yvonne Chelimo. I'm in Form 4, Navisensa Girls School. So the paper was challenging. It wasn't what I expected. I expected to know many things, but apparently it was tricky but doable, and I expect at least 50%.
How did you find the log number?
The logarithms. They were just, log numbers were so difficult. But I'm sure I got some marks. Yeah, not to brag, but yeah, they were fair. The paper was generally fair, just challenging. Yeah, so I advise everyone to come and do math contest because you learn many skills. You learn what you're good at and what you're bad at. And yeah, please come and challenge your brain so that you can diversify your intelligence. Thank you.
Math contest yetuvaamu boy. Yabadde kagujje. Toyina omanya kyabadde ekintu kimu nti ngenze nenda namba esoose. Nga boy yakula neewola. Ngenda ku yokubiri. Yokubiri nayo boy naye kyabaddewo nti ntuse mu makati awo nenkimanya nti nze kagujja asingira ddala. Nenzika kala nenzikola naye katulabe. Simanyi kyamaanyi kigenda vaayo naye bibadde bibi. Mashallah.
Yes, my name is Vivega Simon. Today it's a Saturday. We've come here on Makerere University to have some of the studies we want. Yeah, we are to meet like agriculture studies and so on. Yeah, we've come with I've come with the fellows. Yes, and we've reached, our journey has been so good so far. We've come with some of our teachers, and we are hoping to get the best of the best at this school. Yes, I think this has come by God's grace, and I know we shall succeed in everything we are going to meet. We are going to have everything in a good order because they were already set. I think, yeah, that's all. Okay.
Nze bampita Sendi. Nya nze Sendi. Era pepe eva kunkuba. Envaayo nga kyembadde suira si kyensanzeemu. Ndabye logo nentya n'okutya. Ne bannaaye. Gombe ebeewo. Tuwangaale.
Hi. So like how was the paper?
It was fair.
Fair, not bad at all.
It was fair.
Actually, me when I looked at the paper, I was wondering how even people manage to set this stuff. Kubanga.
Yeah. So this paper, first of all, I had none like practice for it, but then God helped me and I was able to answer most of the questions, though they needed a lot of thinking and yeah. But then it was doable. But not every number though.
I actually don't feel so down for failing this paper because it's just testing my thinking capacity. So like I think I'm not that bad in thinking.
Yeah, same. It's just testing your brain, and it's not that it's like a must for everyone to get 100%. Yeah, as long as you can really think and use logic to solve daily problems. I feel like yeah, that's the whole point of this paper. And I just really want the people who said these papers to just get us the marking guides and give them to us and we see where we failed.
Who would even get 100% in this paper?
Man, I do not know, but never know there's that one person.
Okay, thank
Mary
you.
praise. Just imagine you be among the first 3 in the country.
That can never be enough like 7 numbers.
Manya go gwani sebo.
Manya gange nze Bwire John Paul.
Johnny Paul, paper gisanze otya. How did you find the math paper?
Paper tempisiza bulungi naye. Kyonna kyensanzeeyo mbadde nkisuubira. Mbadde nkisuubira okunyiga. Nange nkolemu kensobodde.
Out of 100. Osuubira oyinza kufulako max nga meka?
Siyinza kuteebereza kuba ze banampa ze bajja okumpa.
Mpulira muli omu ayogera nnyo ku logo ebadde ya tabbu nnyo gisanze otya? Okoonyeeko wadde oba totawaanye?
Nga bwe bakyogedde mbu ya tabbu nnyo. Nange ennyongero kikkaatiza nti ebadde ya tabbu.
Awo ng'okoonyeewo nnyo.
Nange tempisiza bulungi. Batuse ne bagamba muteeke wansi peeni. Nendabira ddala nti era nina giteeka wansi ne bw'onnyongera essaawa endala emu era sigenda sinaako kye ngenda kukola nensalawo ngiteeke wansi.
Naye nga kati olowooza ki ekyalibadde kikolebwa okubanga olulala pepa omuntu wagituukamu teweetegese kimala oba gye wasomye si byebyazze?
Nadde nsuubira bye nasomye nadde sibisuubira kujja nadde ngezaako kumanyira buzito bwa question si kutuuka wali nga question nzito n'osumagira oso gisanga nzito nekutuulamu mu bwongo n'osumagira kati wali mbadde ngezaako kwemanyiiza si kumanyiira kwemanyiiza.
Omulamwa gw'okubeera mu context eno kubanga mumanyiira ebibuuzo ebinaaleetebwa eyo mu maaso. Kale tweyanziza nnyo katusabe etambule bulungi. How are you today? What's your name?
I'm Mugisha Ramadan.
Mugisha Ramadan. And you?
My name is
Mulangula Tauba. Yes, how has been the math paper?
Okay, the math paper was pretty hard.
Pretty hard.
That log in section B. Okay, I didn't know anything about log. I don't know anything about log. And even there's a number in section A that concerning function, and I never knew anything. So I just put anything I knew. But math contest is hard. Okay.
It's hard.
Yeah.
So what did you expect before you came here?
I thought it was like the primary stuff because they tell you how to count triangles. But this time
it was totally different.
This number 3 to the power 2023. Yeah.
Terrible.
It's terrible, but
Like, how many numbers did you attempt? Like, these ones, at least I can give them my best. How many did you attempt to do?
I attempted like, let me say 13 out of 15.
13 out of 15.
Yeah.
So out of 100, what do you expect to get?
Okay, I don't think I'll tell you the right answer.
Just give me an estimate. Like, let's say I'll get like 30%.
I can't get 30. Let me say 80.
80%.
Yeah.
Okay, that is a good one. And you, Tauba, tell us.
Paper was a bit hard.
It was a bit hard?
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
But I expect to get like in 25.
To get like 25
Yes.
out of 100?
Yes.
Why? You only did 2 numbers.
I did all of them, but even I don't remember what I did.
You don't remember what you did? How did you find the log number?
The log number was not easy at all. It was not easy at all.
Okay, but I think the finals you'll be doing them. This is just a trial to take you through the process of understanding how questions are asked so that you prepare yourself for the final exams, not so? Yes. I think next time we'll do better, right?
Inshallah.
Inshallah. Thank you very much for your time. Can you give your greetings to anyone out there who's going to be watching us?
Sending greetings to Maima in Chotera district. Yes.
Okay, thank you very much. And you, Ramadan?
Me?
Yes, greetings.
I send greetings to my former primary teachers because they are nice. And when I've faced this math contest, like, I remember what they used to tell me and I've applied it in the paper.
Naye zewampita tendo mark ka paper ka math contest olunaku lwa leero since kabadde kabi naye tebadde nti enyiga nnyo naye nga ye enyiga yo simanyi na kumanya logo yo mbadde sina na kyemmanyiiko akantu kyakandesewo ne space nkozeko namba 11 oba nebaddemu gundi mbu 3 power 2023 what is the last number banayi eyo asoboye badde 3 ze simanyi ebyo tewali kale.
How do you compare this paper to last paper? The last paper we did.
The last paper was actually fair compared to this, because they told us to attempt this paper for 3 hours, but don't know. This was just 3 hours of trauma.
For me, I feel last paper was more difficult than this one.
Probably just things are difficult for you, man. Just get a life.
What's your name? My name is Mary Praise Navisunsa.
Navisunsa
Girls School.
Oh, okay. So Mary, how many logs numbers were you able to attempt?
None of them. Let me tell you what happened when I read those questions. I read about log is equal to log is equal to log. What's that?
Exactly. When did you learn that?
Let me tell you, I read the question. After reading, I was like, yeah, bye. I went to the next one.
You didn't even try to challenge your brain?
Bruh, my brain was already tired. Already 10 numbers in the past. I was getting amnesia.
I thought, during which time did you finish section A? 1 hour, 5 hours?
I thought it was until 2 hours.
You used 2 hours in section A alone?
Bruh. Let me tell you, this paper was, when I reached number 14, I couldn't even think anymore. Like, it was also a log.
You gave up on number 14?
Sugar, why do they put those dots that continue up to the end? I don't even know what these guys. I think even the person who said that paper doesn't have the answer.
Wallahi, we should wait for graduation so they can tell us what exactly were the answers to those questions.
Thank you. Me, I have to wait. They've never even produced a marking guide.
They want to test us for nothing. They don't even know the answers themselves.
Yeah, I'm telling you, this world, anything is possible in Uganda. So, yeah, right now we're in Uganda. Thank you very much for listening.
This is Nakawa Vocational Training College. I have known of Gombe for quite some time, but I have never met you here. I thank the administration this time to have given me a chance to come and visit Nakawa Vocational Training College. Nakawa Vocational Training College has just recently been upgraded to a college, but all along we have been an institute, Nakawa VTI. And our institution has been here since 1971. And this institution exists here because of the technical cooperation between the government of Japan and the government of Uganda. So all along, since its inception, this institution has been given support from JICA, that is Japan International Cooperation Agency. So we train in skills. We train more. We base ourselves more on skills than the theory. And we base ourselves on 3 pillars. And the 3 pillars is attitude, skills, and knowledge. I don't know, you did come with something to write because those are very, very important things. Why attitude? Even if you have skills and the knowledge, if you have a wrong attitude, I think your teachers have always told you. So for us here, we have a triangle with on top first is what? Attitude. Then skills and what? Because I would give you an example, you might be a very good person who is very clever, and for example, you become a nurse. But a nurse who has all the knowledge, they has all the skills of attending to a patient. But if the attitude of attending to a patient is wrong, then even the patient as he comes to you and you say, you understand? Even the sick person, even if you are highly qualified with all the knowledge and skills, but if you don't have the empathy, if you don't have that attitude of how to handle what? The person will say, no, let me go back. So depends also on other what? Professionals. I mean professions. Now you are here, we train both certificates and diplomas since we become a college. And in for a diploma, we take students who have already finished courses in certificates after their vocational training institutions, and also those who have come direct from A level, that is for diploma. But when it comes to certificate, we take trainees who have just finished what? S4. So the minimum for certificate is it's S4 or Uganda Certificate of Education by UNEP. And also for diploma, Uganda Advanced Certificate of what? Education. So basically, in certificate, we've got 8 programs at the Nakawa Vocational Training Institute. For those of you who would like to come for those courses after your S4, we've got electronics. Electronics about computer, radio, telephone, TVs, that is all other electronically controlled what? Gadgets. So students come here for 2 years and they are trained and they are given the skills, they go to industry, at the end they sit for UBTEB. Have you ever heard of UBTEB? UBTEB is Uganda Business Technical Examination Board, not UNEP now. You sit for UBTEB. And also there is another examination body or assessment body called DIT. DIT is called the Directorate of Industrial Training. You know, some of you are going to sit with them for the lower curriculum. And that is Uganda Qualification Framework Level 1. When you are in S3, there was some problems, I think, and they have given a halt, but still the new curriculum will continue. But the assessment of the practicals which have just been halted for the time being. But all the same, after your S4, if you have interest, you come and train the hand. The degree in the what? The hand. I know many of you, there has been this year of from primary go to secondary, from secondary go to what? To A level, from A level you go to university. Unless if you don't do that, you are a failure in life. Here we say no. And we have turned many. They have money. They are okay because we have turned them. No, not because you have to go to A level. You have to go to the university to get what? And we've turned them, and we are proud of them wherever they are. They are making money. They are fending for their families, and they are making the economy of this country to grow. So nobody should come and tell you that when you don't go to university, you are becoming a what? A failure. I'm one of them. You look at me as a failure. But I did A level. I did DEG in 1987. But by that time, there was only one university in the whole country. So we could not make it. If some of you remember 1987, that was just after the war. So I was coming from Hoima, and I'm competing with the people who are from other places where there was no what? War. But when examination comes, it does not segregate that this person had problems because there was war. We had to see. But all of a sudden, I had to, because I had good career guidance, I had to join vocational technical education. I have been to Japan 3 times. I have been to Germany. I have been to Malaysia. I have been to many other countries, continuing by training the what? The hand. And here I am very soon. Next year I'm retiring, and I'm not regretting for having trained myself in the what? My area is automobile. I was training people from Eritrea, from Kenya, Tanzania, and Zambia under the program of what we call 30 country training program here. But people had what? Had degrees. Others had masters, but they didn't know what we call EFI, electronic fuel injection. They didn't know automatic transmission in our modern vehicles. They didn't know what we call ABS. Some of you are coming from rich families. ABS is the anti-lock braking what? System. All those things, they came here, we trained them. So as much as I'm saying this, I'm not saying you should not try for getting to get those big papers. But if the opportunity doesn't come, don't look at yourself as a what? Come and join Nakawa. We shall turn you to be a responsible citizen, and you will reach wherever you like. Even the university, you will reach there, even when you pass through these other shortcuts. Sometimes you call them long cuts, but it's a shortcut because you already go to get a degree when you're already earning and when you have a what? A skill with you. So we've got electronics, we've got electricity. Electricity is for both what we call domestic and industrial electricity. Then we've got machining, which works with industrial components and factories. Like I hear the machines running, we shall see them. Then we go to automobile, where I have been for quite some years. Then there is woodwork. Many of you tend to shun what we call carpentry. But I tell you, there is a lot of creativity. Right from the kitchen. I will give you example. You young people, you are going tomorrow to build what we call modern what? Houses. Modern houses, if they ask you to make a kitchen unit, it can cost 6+ million. That is only measuring and doing all the things. You go to the machine, and millions of money to entrust you with his vehicle. It might take time. After all, he will buy his shock absorbers, he will buy his oil, he will buy his oil filter and spark plug. And you fit. How much money will you get? Nothing. You get labor only maybe 50,000. But the man of carpentry is the one who yela mula. Yefunira sente. Another area that I will always interest you is every day people are building modern houses is the BCP, building construction. It's very, very lucrative today because there is a lot of construction industry, road, factories. They are building a lot of bridges. The other day, the collapsing of the bridges. The construction unit who are making what? That money. Then we have got welding and fabrication, especially with the recent discovery of oil and gas sector. So I can go on and explain the various sections which we are going to see one by one. Then we have diploma for A level, we started with vocational diploma in automobile engineering, vocational diploma in electrical. Then we've got a vocational diploma in water engineering, and we've got also a diploma in mechanical. Then we've got a diploma in civil engineering. Those are the 5 diplomas plus the 8 certificates. Have you heard? 8 certificate courses and 5 diploma courses. Thank you very much for listening to me. You will continue giving me attention as we move through in those departments I have given you a brief about. Then after moving around, I can entertain some questions. Okay? You are welcome. Let's move.
Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top.
Yo, no, I ain't the type to give up. If I do something, man, I do it till I get what I want. I turn a business out of nothing into something I love. I got a poker face, but honestly, I'm not one to bluff. I flip a switch, never miss, man, I always stay up. Don't let them see you, bitch, always have a plan to stay tough. This life ahead of you ain't easy, it was built to be rough. But that's what makes a personality, is tragedy, bruh. So keep your head on your shoulders. Now we ain't out here moving rocks, we out here moving boulders. Now we ain't getting posterized, we out here making posters. And we ain't got nothing to hide, we move forward like soldiers. You better wake up for the pay stub, or you'll pay up. Don't make love to the game, bruh, fuck the game up. Change up, rearrange stuff to your greatness. Famous for the way up, play the game, bruh.
Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah.
You know I'm always honest, there ain't no way I'm ever stopping.
I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top,
I'm always flirting with pain, she like to hurt me and maim. I'm always working to change, but she's still lurking the same. I keep on building a dynasty while the haters be trying me. But they hate from inside, you see, hate themselves in society. So I let them speak quietly while my actions speak wider. See, they be hiding in privacy with the screen. Oh, the irony to hate someone who's trying to be whatever they would like to be. We all feel the anxiety, we make our own rivalries. Yo, so where is all the the positivity. I feel like we all just hate on everything, it's killing me. Thoughts build quick, causing different possibilities. Negative thoughts will cause different disabilities. So do better, work hard under pressure. If you got no time, work smarter than ever. Don't ever let them tell you that you can't ever say never. And turn your mind into the truest to go-getters.
Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah.
You know I'm always honest. There ain't no way I'm ever stopping.
I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah.
In this department, we teach medical professionals. There are a number of courses. We teach anatomy. We teach those who are take optometry or vision sight. We teach those who are take biomedical engineering. We teach those who are offering biomedical sciences. Now, what constitutes or what makes up a human being? So students are given preserved bodies, technically referred to as cadavers, and they start dissecting. They start looking at the different parts that constitute a human being. So when one passes anatomy, then one is allowed to go and start interacting with patients. If one fails anatomy, one is not allowed to go and interact with patients.
We shall get a session as we are moving out. You come and take a closer look, yeah, and get to see the biology behind. They are for real. They are not dummies that they are plastic.
Here we don't use.
They are real items. They are.
We don't use plastics.
They are put in sugar. They are put in sugar. It's sugar solutions. What's that preservative?
Preserve them in formalin.
Formalin is the preservative.
So to slow down bacterial action on the tissues, we apply formalin.
Okay. So is it okay we take a look, then we go to the next slide?
Yes, okay.
Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top.
Yo, no, I ain't the type to give up. If I do something, man, I do it till I get what I want. I turn a business out of nothing into something I love. I got a poker face, but honestly, I'm not one to bluff. I flip a switch, never miss, man, I always stay up. Don't let them see you, bitch, always have a plan to stay tough. This life ahead of you ain't easy, it was built to be rough. But that's what makes a personality, is tragedy, bruh. So keep your head on your shoulders. Now we ain't out here moving rocks, we out here moving boulders. Now we ain't getting posterized, we out here making posters. And we ain't got nothing to hide, we move forward like soldiers. You better wake up for the pay stub, or you'll pay up. Don't make love to the game, bro. Fuck the game.
Triple badde etya wali ayogera ku triple badde etya tebalina genda mu museum
okulaba enkima n'amazike
azowa
nasinga triple badde mu science mwerere biology atabaddewo osubiddwa kinene next year maybe tuli anatomy lab Full about science, biology. Patrick will be back. Peter Close, and they are. Peter Close.
emirambo tugirabye ekituufu
So tuli wano mako gujja
tukuddeko nekukakasa
byaddala
naffe next year
byaddala nnyo era tunyumiddwa nnyo
Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up.